Oh, wow. The Immortal John Hancock here, and today I'm reviewing something truly special. Recently, Shika Arcades reached out to me and sent me the handcrafted Super Nintendo arcade joystick. Only 100 are being made of these, and it's wooden. It's got some awesome, amazing arcade parts, and it's just a work of art. And so I am looking at this, and I'm going to review it and ask the question, is this the ultimate arcade experience on the Super Nintendo? Let's check it out. Here it is, the Sozu S1, and really cool. Comes with a box within the box. It's just very sturdy. So let's unbox this. Please open carefully. Yes, I will. All right, here we go. Just trying to be very careful. All right, so we have that. Ooh. First edition, the Sozu S1. And this box is made of bamboo. So it comes with its own carrying box. And so how crazy is that? So be very careful here. Wow. I've never seen anything like this. And so what it does is you have your own bamboo box, handmade. It slides open. Comes with instructions, an amazing shirt, breakdown of kind of everything, like a blueprint of the actual arcade machine. And there you have it. Wow. That is amazing. Now the first 100 are going to have a coin embedded into the unit. Handcrafted. Back here. FS115 is the one they sent me. Again, the amount of care that has been put into this thing, you know, it's just everything has been just really thought about. I'm going to talk a little bit about the joystick itself. It comes with its own wooden crate. Comes with a braided, it is wired, and it's first edition. And there's one of two outside finished models. I wanted the darker one. Now what right here, that's turbo. And that's just like, that's the ultimate. Here's the arcade top. And you simply just screw it in. Love that clicky clicky. Alright. So real quick, looking at the actual arcade stick itself, has a turbo switch and a speed dial, and so that adjusts how fast the turbo is on all the buttons. Now this is really cool because you can flip these buttons, and so you just click 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 and these will flip, and you can fully customize this controller. It just flips these pairs of buttons right there. Select and start are smaller buttons than the larger arcade buttons, but this thing is just gorgeous. Alright, I wanted to test some of my favorite games on the Super Nintendo and see how well this joystick performs. I'm going to play Super Street Fighter 2 Turbo, might play some Joust or Robotron on Williams Arcade Greatest Hits, Turtles in Time, Gradius 3, and Super Ghouls and Ghosts. Thought it'd be a nice selection, a lot of different games. Let's check it out. One thing that I want to mention is that this turbo feature is super nice on the controller, and a good example is to play Joust. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and because of flapping, you don't have to keep tapping the flap. You can just have the turbo right there, and so there you go. I turned it on, and if you can adjust the turbo speed, it makes Joust totally different experience. Ah! Thought I'd go ahead and show you Robotron. Again, the Super Nintendo one controls a little differently, and you know, I just wanted to, I had to play Robotron. Favorite game of all time. So each button is a different direction. If you want to change up a button layout, it's just a flick of a switch. I can invert these control features. I can just do that, and then it changes how I control Robotron. Alright, thought I'd check out Gradius 3. Love that turbo. Nice feature. It's got a nice feel to it. Such a classic on Super Nintendo. I think I saw this game at like every rental store. Looks so great on the Super NT too. I mean, honestly, this joystick is a nice pairing with the Super NT. Alright, Turtles in Time. Thought I'd check this out. Having that turbo is that adjustable turbo button is so nice on this. This is such a good game. I definitely wanted to test Super Ghouls and Ghosts, and I wanted to let you know this is compatible with the Retron 5. And so I'm sure some people were asking, hey, you know, does this work on the Retron 5? Yes, it does. And so I just wanted to fire this up and show it working. Boy, having that turbo feature is the coolest feature on this thing. You know, I'm not a big on customizable button layout. Some people are, but you know, playing Super Ghouls and Ghosts with having that built-in feature is super nice. Definitely getting the spear back. Click on turbo. Oh! Good old crossbow. Can't test an arcade stick without testing Street Fighter 2 Turbo. So, one of the greatest fighting games ever made. I typically always pick Blanca. Oh man! Man, control is great. Really like the control of this. Just smooth. I mean, you know, and I'm not the best game player, but definitely enjoying this quite a bit. So there you have it. Pretty interesting, huh? I've never experienced a joystick like this. I've never gamed on a joystick like this. This is truly a unique piece of art, in my opinion. It's not going to be it for everybody. I'm going to be honest. The price is really expensive. It's over 500 bucks. There's not going to be a lot of people that are going to buy this, but gaming with it in person, I have to say I'm truly blown away. And it is just a gorgeous arcade stick. Thank you so much for people tuning in to my humble channel around the world as I march towards 60,000 subs. I currently am still working on a lot of content. I'm really excited, and as time goes forward, I still have a lot of amazing things I like to show on my channel, and the positive comments that keep coming in keep me going. It's most appreciated. I also have a Patreon if you want to support me there for as little as $1 a month. I also do exclusive videos. To give into my Patreon, you get an exclusive video every month. Thank you so much. This is the Immortal John Hancock. You take care.